Position itself behind your strong eye, automatically. Don't cross that thumb over because you end up slicing that thumb. Both thumbs stay on the same side of the gun. Ready. Fire!
Finger out
Fire!
the trigger.
Fire! 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 All right, good. Ready. Bring it up higher, Dale.
I know.
But then do it. Ready. Fire! Fire! All right, you hesitate. Fire! Fire! What we gonna do? We're gonna fire 2 rounds. Bring your other magazine up. Take that one out, put the other one in, fire 2 rounds. Take that magazine out, bring the other one up, fire 2 rounds. Do this until you're empty. Now, what this is, they call a tack load. That means if you're not sure how many rounds you fired, you don't want to step out from cover or whatever, or get engaged in something, you might have 2 rounds left. Yep.
That's all right.
Best is the best.
All right, now, here's another tack load drill. Where everybody's hoping.
Everybody else?
Go back up to 4. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna fire your 2 rounds. Bring your other magazine up, take that magazine out, fire that round, put it in, put the magazine in, rack it, and then fire the rest of your round. All right, now, when you're doing a tack load and a threat comes immediately at you, you still can shoot. It's still a round in the chamber. Shoot, reload, rack it, and continue shooting. All right, have y'all got the drill? We're gonna fire 2 rounds. Take that magazine out. You're gonna put the other, get ready, before you put it in, you're gonna fire that round, put the magazine in, rack it, and then fire the rest of your round.
And we're not touching the other mag.
Go ahead, charge up.
Finger off the trigger until ready to shoot.
All right, ready. Fire!
Right hand fist to your chest.
Now, I know this is gonna feel awkward. What happens is you turn the gun slightly towards your inside, it's gonna give you better stability. Ready? Fire!
Yep.
If you're empty, go ahead and reload. Always. We're gonna fire 1 round now. 1 round. Ready? Fire!
I don't like it.
Fire! Fire! One to the head. Fire! Boom, boom, and go right to the head. If he don't stop here, then go to the next thing that we know will stop him. All right? Central nervous system is in the head. Remember, from ear to ear, going straight down. So if you hit anywhere in here, we're gonna stop him. All right? One point is to stop. All right. Anna, 2 to the body, 1 to the head.
Got it.
All
2
right.
to the body, 1 to the head.
Anna, what's the drill?
2 to the body, 1 to the head.
All right. Ready. Charge up. Fire! All right. See, some of it took too long to aim. All right, now, bring it up high to your chest. The reason why we say bring it up high to your chest, if they grab your gun, automatically you're going to tense up, and all you do is pull the trigger, because they're going to pull the barrel right towards them. If the gun is low and they pull it, you're going to fall off balance. You might pull the trigger and the bullet going to the ground. That means it did no good. All right? Keep it up high to your chest. Ready. Fire! 2 to the chest, 1 to the pelvic. Ready. Fire! Fire! Fire, I'm gonna say threat. All right, if anybody screw this up, we're gonna do 3 push-ups. Fire!
Woo!
I didn't shoot. You said threat. I didn't shoot.
Threat.
Threat. I did not shoot.
I said I was gonna say threat,
Threat,
not
fire.
fire.
Yeah.
Shit. Rob, you were the first one.
Nick, stop laughing.
All right, line ready.
Look at his hands. He's like,
Threat!
Whoa!
going.
Haiti! Shoot the strings!
Hold on.
Threat!
Look at